if you want to have same text effect in your video, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. So first of all, go to your CapCut application. Now create new project, select your desired video. Now you have to add text on this video, your desired text. Like I'm going to write ocean view. I'm going to add any style, any font here like this one. Okay, I'm adjusting it here. Okay, now you have to drag the text timeline to the end and obviously delete the ending part. Okay, now you can export this video. Okay, you can see it's done. Now you have to create another project. Select the edited video. After that, you can see an option at the bottom part that is overlay. Click on the overlay, add overlay, and select the first video which is unedited. Okay, now adjust the video by dragging it perfectly to the frame. Okay, you can see it's adjusted perfectly. Delete the ending part. Okay, now click this clip and you can see an option at the bottom, but that is cut out. Now there are three options. At the first option you can see remove background, so click on remove background. You can see the background is removing. Click back. Now let's see how it looks. You can see the background has been removed and the text is behind the person. Isn't it so much cool and isn't it so much easy? So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the full video. See you in the next one.